night, teacher Juliana. Send to the question. Complete night. My name is Victor Hugo Arboleda Campo. ID number, my ID is 10,291,486. How old are you? I am 40 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is in June. Where do you live? I am living in the Popayan city. My city is now for Holy Week. Who do you live with? Now I am with my family, my parents. What are you studying? What do you do? I am studying doctorate in epidemiology and biostatistics. And this moment I am for semester or second year. What do you do? I am working the clinical part. I am a specialist in cardiac and pulmonary rehabilitation. I currently see post-COVID-19 patients. Projects for the future, hobbies, favorite food. Well, surviving this pandemic, but there are many in but there are many in relation to the professional continual learning and contribution in teaching and clinic, personally having a home, a wife, family, and will enjoy life. Hobbies, I like play the guitar, singer. I like the soccer. Favorite foods, oof, fried fish. Where have you studied English? I took course more than 50 years ago, University of Cauca, 5 semester. I retired, but now I have only been access since the beginning. Thanks.